Hello, I am Dr. Varun Gogia. I am cataract, refractive and vitreoretinal surgeon practicing in Delhi, India. Earlier, the cataract surgery was just to remove the cataractous lens and put a new lens so that you are able to see distant things. But nowadays, the cataract surgery has become a refractive surgery. So patients need both distance, intermediate and near vision to be very clear. This has happened because of technology change. Now people want to see everything on their social media, on their mobile, they want to work on their computers, they want to use their tabs. So they need continuous range of vision. So we have to shift from a normal monofocal lens to a premium intraocular lens after cataract surgery to give them independence in all these activities. Earlier, we had bifocal lenses which used to give us distance vision as well as near vision. But as technologies have changed, for last few years, we have trifocal lenses which are there for near, intermediate and distance vision. I have been using them for quite some time now, and Optiflex TRIO is one of the best trifocal lenses I have used in my practice. It's been now 3-4 years or more than that since they have been launched, and I am very happy with the use of Optiflex TRIO lens. The most important thing in trifocal lens is how much light is being distributed so that in low light conditions the vision is not blurred or it's not affected. So the beauty of this lens is that even in low light conditions or any change of light conditions doesn't affect in our distance, intermediate or near vision. The light splitting is very less. Apart from that, the material which is being used is from Benz Laboratories, which is one of the best lens material producing laboratories in the world. Moreover, the lens is hydrophobic, aspheric and has a yellow tint. Because of hydrophobicity, the PCO rates are very minimal. In fact, in my practice, I have never seen a patient of Optiflex TRIO with getting a PCO after the surgery in last 3-4 years. So for patient satisfaction, we need both a good visual acuity as well as the contrast should be preserved. So in these lenses, both are at superior levels. Patient undergoing cataract surgery who is going for a premium intraocular lens, Optiflex TRIO is always my first choice.